Are you a DIY expert looking to take your skills to the next level? Get ready to level up your expertise with these 8 brand new tools. From precision cutting to seamless measurements, these innovative tools are designed to make your DIY dreams a reality. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off our list with the Hazet Twin Turbo Impact Wrench. It's a compact yet versatile tool designed for industrial and automotive applications, especially for DIYers. This wrench offers a range of features to enhance its performance, with a maximum loosening torque of 4,100 Newton-meters, reduced vibrations, and easy one-hand operation. It ensures efficient and comfortable use. The compact design, adjustable handle, and Hazet Twin Turbo technology with a powerful twin hammer mechanism and 8-blade air motor contribute to its high torque output of 2,170 Newton-meters and 5,200 revolutions per minute. With a focus on durability, efficiency, and user convenience, this impact wrench is an excellent choice for professionals in need of a reliable and powerful tool. Next up, we have something that every DIYer will love to get. This is the tough-built 100 feet crossline laser level, a multi-purpose tool made for precise leveling and alignment tasks. It features a highly visible green crossline laser that can project vertical, horizontal, and cross lines with a range of 100 feet. The laser level is self-leveling, automatically adjusting to ensure accurate results, and it includes an out-of-level indicator for added convenience. When not in use, the pendulum locks for safe transport. With versatile mounting clamp for microfine adjustment, this laser level offers ease of use and precise measurements. Additionally, it has IP54 dust and water protection, making it suitable for use in challenging working environments. Cove Digital Voltmeter is an essential tool for farms and ranches, providing convenient voltage testing for fences and 12-volt batteries. With its ground probe and 4-foot cord, it allows easy testing of the fence, while the positive and negative battery tester probes with 2-foot cords simplify battery voltage measurements. The voltmeter has a maximum measuring capacity of 12,000 volts and features an easy-to-read LCD display for clear voltage readings. It also comes with a 9-volt battery, ensuring that it's ready to use right out of the box. Now here comes the Hakko FX1003 Micro Tweezers, a reliable solution specifically designed for micro SMD components and compatible with the induction heating FX100 soldering station. These micro tweezers offer exceptional precision and can handle even the smallest components, including 01005 sizes. With the new T38 tips featuring 2 temperature ranges and 7 different shapes, the FX1003 ensures superior performance and perfectly aligned tips. The tweezers provide 4 types of alignment adjustments for precise handling. The handpiece boasts an ergonomic shape for comfortable use and is ESD safe. The holder not only allows for easy and convenient tip changes, but also activates the FX100 sleep mode to maximize tip life when the handpiece is resting. With its advanced features and suitability for small component rework, the FX1003 tweezers are an ideal choice for professionals working with intricate electronics. Every woodworker will love this tool. This is the Husqvarna 120 Mark II Chainsaw. It's an easy-to-use all-round tool made specifically for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. This chainsaw delivers sufficient cutting performance, making it ideal for tasks such as cutting firewood, light felling, and limbing. It features the innovative X-Torque engine technology, which not only reduces emissions by up to 60%, but also increases fuel efficiency, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective choice. Thanks to the air injection system, which helps it to effectively keep the filter clean, extending the operating time between filter cleanings. With safety in mind, the chainsaw is equipped with low kickback cutting equipment and an inertia-activated chain brake for enhanced user protection. Additionally, it incorporates anti-vibration dampeners that absorb vibrations, reducing strain on the user's arms and hands. With its universal capabilities and user-friendly design, the Holtzman MultiPurpose Sharpener is an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts. It offers a range of features to cater to various sharpening and grinding needs. Equipped with 2 pre-installed grinding wheels, it provides versatility for different materials and tools. The diamond grinding wheel is perfect for sharpening drills, chisels, and other high-hardness materials, while the corundum grinding wheel efficiently sharpens knives, scissors, and axes. Additionally, the package includes polishing wheels for achieving a polished finish. With the flexible shaft and grinding adapters, it becomes possible to mount cut-off wheels, grinding cylinders, and felt drums, making it suitable for chainsaws, hedge trimmers, and resharpening tools and blades. The bench with fixed grinding shafts ensures easy operation, and the adjustable speed levels of the flexible shaft allow for precision grinding and polishing. With its sturdy double-column guide and powerful 2200-watt motor, it provides the perfect solution for various DIY projects. Meet the Schrade Crosscut Saw. The saw's heavy-duty die-cast aluminum frame ensures durability, while the HW saw blade with 48 teeth delivers precise and clean cuts in solid wood, making it ideal for DIY carpentry tasks. The integrated laser helps achieve accurate cutting edge indication, ensuring precise execution of cuts. The large cutting width of up to 340mm and height of up to 90mm ensures second-to-none versatility for different project requirements. Plus, the adjustable aluminum workpiece supports on both sides offer a larger support surface, enhancing stability during cutting. Additionally, the saw comes with an included dust bag, which will help you maintain a clean work area every time. And now let's end today's list with the Toolstation Werner Adjustable Pro Platform. This tool is great for people who often struggle while working on uneven surfaces or along stairways. With its impressive 25cm height adjustability on both sides, this platform can be effortlessly configured to 10 different height positions ranging from 0.51 to 0.76mm. It offers a large non-slip work surface, ensuring stability and safety during projects. The slip-resistant bumpers add extra support when using it in stairwell mode. Designed with a compact and lightweight aluminum build, it is easy to carry and move around. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat and has a slim depth of only 11 cm, making storage hassle-free. The single-handed lock and height adjustment feature further enhance user convenience, while the easy grab handle ensures quick and secure transportation of the platform. Embrace the versatility and reliability of the Toolstation Werner Adjustable Pro platform and elevate your DIY projects with ease and confidence. So this was our video of 8 new tools for every DIY expert. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.